Hi, I am Nitin Manwani, Sales Head at MSP Group, and I welcome you to Data Center Daily, a brand new MSP TV show where you will get all the information and news about the data center business around the globe and in India. So, let's begin our first episode. India is emerging as an important new frontier for data center development. And as they say in Hindi, चढ़ते सूरज को हर कोई सलाम करता है means everybody salutes the rising sun. And joining this are the two US-based data center operators with global ambitions, HConex and Iron Mountain Data Centers, unveiled separate partnership to extend their footprint in India. Data centers are a fundamental infrastructure need of a nation, said Gautam Adani, chairman of Adani Group. And on February 25, Adani Enterprises announced the setting of 50-50 joint venture with global data center operator HConex to set up data centers across the country. The joint venture will develop and operate data centers throughout the India, leveraging two partners' complementary expertise and capabilities. The company said in a release. In addition to full-scale data centers, Adani Connex will also develop a portfolio of edge data centers located across the country to address the need for more proximate capacity. These edge sites were designed and planned to easily scale with demand and become full-scale data center campuses as per the release, which added that this pan-India platform of hyperscale and hyper-local data centers would largely be powered by renewable energy. Work for setting up of the data centers has already begun in Chennai, Navi Mumbai, Noida, Visakhapatnam and Hyderabad markets. The release added, and in the other deal, Iron Mountain has also used a joint venture to enter the India market by teaming up with Webworks, one of the India's top co-location data center providers. Iron Mountain expects to invest $150 million over the next 2 years, after which it expects to become the majority investor in the venture. Webworks operates Tier 3 career-neutral data centers in Mumbai, Pune and Delhi NCR. This investment enables Webworks to immediately expand its operations in its 3 existing markets and then expand into Bangalore, Hyderabad and Chennai. Iron Mountain Data Centers is making this investment to support its existing hyperscale network, content and enterprise customers. Looking to expand and scale in the rapidly growing pan-India region, these developments will give a big boost to the growing data center market in India. And joining the data center development in Indian markets, regulator SEBI, which will build a new data center in Mumbai as part of its new private cloud strategy. The proposed private cloud solution will be the enabling technology that will be scalable, interoperable and elastic and support big data analytics. Going forward, the private cloud solution will provide infrastructure, storage and computing capacity to many existing and upcoming projects. This will help SEBI to bring large parts of its IT infrastructure under one umbrella of the SEBI private cloud. The consolidation of all hardware will increase the manageability of server-side hardware, result in better turnaround time and continuous service. This data center wave is not just limited to metros, it has reached to the northeast part of India as well. The Assam state government has completed construction of a new data center in the city of Guwahati. The 232 crores Assam state data center will reportedly house ICT assets of various departments within the state and provide secure provisioning and hosting option for government data as well as disaster recovery and cloud hosting infrastructure. Services and data due to be hosted at the SDC include secure central data repository of the state, core application servers and service delivery gateway, citizen information services portal, state intranet portal, remote management and service integration facility. An operator for the facility has not yet been chosen. Well, that is it for this episode of Data Center Daily by MSP TV, and this was brought to you by our very own mspwebstore.com. Do visit the Power Store backup solutions and also for the accessories related to data centers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive information about our upcoming episode. to stay updated with the industry news. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive information about our upcoming episode to stay updated with the industry news. Thank you for watching this video till the end. This is Nitin signing off. See you soon.